Hello my friends and welcome back. Let's create our project. Open Android Studio, select Empty Views Activity and name the application as Planets App. Select Kotlin and click Finish. As we learned before, I'll start with the layouts. I'll create a new layout inside the Layouts folder. I'll name it as Item List Layout. Click OK. Here we go. This is our layout. Inside this constraint layout, I'll create 2 text views and 1 image view. And change the height from match parent to wrap content. And here we go. This is our image view. Let's continue. And I'll create another view, which is a text view. And here is our text view. Another text view. This is for the moon count for every planet. And here we go. This is our layout that will act as a template for every item in the list view. 1 image view, 2 text views, 1 for the name and 1 for the moon count for every planet.